This is Don. Don is a top cat. This is Ron. Ron is a dog. It is Don's pet dog. A rod, a short wooden rod on top of the table. It is Ron's short wooden rod. Don likes to jog. Don got his rod and jogged to the park with Ron. It is hot in the park. Don and Ron played the rod in the hot park. Don threw the rod near the rat log. Ron jogs over the rat log to get the rod. Ron got the rod back and gave it to Don. Good job, Ron, said Don. Let's go to the next story. Sorry guys, marami active.
Hindi ko nakakastay. Umulukot sa
Baby. So that was a large snake. A pot, a hot pot. On top of the stove is a hot pot. This is Mom. Mom has a hot pot. Corn on the cob. Mom cooked the corn on the cob in the hot pot. This is Tom. Tom likes to eat his mom's hot corn on the cob. Super easy. Tom got hungry, but the corn on the cob is not yet ready. While waiting for the hot corn on the cob, Tom cleaned the floor using a mop. It's okay, guys. It's just a little bit of motivation I need to take it.
Huwag ka lang aalis. Huwag na. Sit down ka na lang. Sit down.
Wait. I forgot about guys.
Down na nga.
Okay. Soon, Mom called Tom at 3 in the afternoon on the dot. Mom and Tom enjoyed the hot corn on the cob. Thank you guys, and by the way, I'm so sorry for the loud. Bye.